Namaskar friends. In the start of my career, I was working in an electrical panel manufacturing company. So in training period, one day my manager asked me that Poonam, we have to build a panel for a residential building which have X number of electrical appliances working for Y number of hours. You do one thing, you calculate the load of the building. So I sat for half an hour and I was unable to do the load calculation of the building. So it made me feel very low, because load calculation is the basic calculation which an engineer must know. Because in every field, like if we are installing a solar power plant in a building, or we are doing an electrical project, we are doing its designing part, or we are doing its consultancy, or we are a panel manufacturer. So to know the switchgear rating, to know the cable rating, we must know load calculation. So friends, in today's topic we will discuss load calculation. We'll see load calculation of a home, and we will also see the wattage of different electrical appliances. So stay tuned with this video and let's see.
Now let us take a home with following appliances, like 4 LEDs are working for 10 hours, 2 fans are working for 12 hours, with one refrigerator, one LED TV which is working for 5 hours, and 2 laptops working for 5 hours, one washing machine working for 1 hour, and 1 HP submersible pump which is working for 1 hour. So we will calculate the load of this home, and we will also see the calculation of monthly bill of this home with following appliances. So now to do the load calculation, the first thing we must know is how much wattage each electrical appliance is using, or how much power each electrical appliance require. So for this, you can take approximate wattage of each appliance, or you can check the technical details given with the electrical appliances to know the exact wattage. Okay friends, let's do an activity. You go and check the technical details of each electrical appliances you using. You'll see the wattage of different electrical appliances, like what is the wattage of your TV, what is the wattage of your fridge, what is the wattage of your washing machine. Check the wattage of lights you using and do comment below. Before calculating wattage of this home, let us see some electrical appliances and their approx wattage. Like a coffee pot uses 200 watt, a coffee maker uses 800 watt, and a microwave uses 600 to 1500 wattage. A dishwasher uses 1200 to 1500 wattage, and a washing machine which is fully automatic uses 500 watt, which is half semi automatic uses. Vacuum cleaner 200 to 700 watt, and heater 150 to 1000 watt. Computer it will be around 80 to 150 watt for PC, and for laptop it's 20 to 50 watt, etc. Now if you want to check these electrical appliances in details with their wattage, you can pause this video and make a note of these electrical appliances. Also you can get this approximate wattage in Google. So let us do the load calculation of the home with the given appliances. So first one is 4 LED lights which are working for 10 hours. So let us take the wattage of each LED 9 watt. So to calculate the total wattage used by LED lights, we have to multiply the number of lights with its wattage and the number of hours we are using it. So we will multiply 4 number of lights with 9 and 10 number of hours. So we will get 360. So in the same way, we have 2 fans which have approximate wattage of 60 watt working for 12 hours. Multiplying them all, 2 into 60 into 12, we get 1440. Now next one is refrigerator. See, although friends, our refrigerator remains connected with the power 24/7, but the cooling in refrigerator is controlled by a built-in controller, which will shut off the compressor when the temperature has reached a certain point. For this reason, refrigerator will not take complete power all the time. So let us take our refrigerator is of 150 watt and which is working for 12 hours. So the calculation comes 1800 watt hour. Now one LED TV which is of 60 watt working for 5 hours, and the total wattage will be 300 watt hour. Now we have two laptops which will work for 5 hours, 50 watt each. Now multiplying 2 into 50 into 5, it's 500 watt hour. Now one washing machine 300 watt working for 1 hour, will get 300 watt. And 1 HP submersible pump, 1 HP equals to 746 watt. So multiplying 746 into 1 hour into one number, we get 746 watt. Now to get the total wattage of the home per day, we will add all these appliances wattage. We will add 360 plus 1440 plus 1800 plus 300 plus 500 plus 300 plus 746. It will come out 5446 watt hour. Now to take out the energy bill of this home, we need to do following calculation. Now total wattage is 5446 watt hour, which is load for a day. So now to take out the load for a month, we will multiply this wattage with 30 number of days. It will come out 163380 watt hour. But energy unit is calculated in kilowatt hour. So 1 kilowatt equals to 1000 watt, and energy calculated by us, which is 163380, it is in watt hour. So we need to divide 163380 by 1000, which comes 163.38 kilowatt hour. So the number of electricity unit this home is using is 163.38. Now for billing purpose, let's say that that area has 5 rupees per unit of charges. We will multiply 163.38 with 5. So 816.9 will be the bill of this home per month. Now friends, I hope this video have helped you to understand how we do load calculation. So please comment below your reviews, and if you have any query, any suggestions, do comment. So finally, it's time to say bye bye. Thank you for watching.